What's up, you all? Today we're checking out the best Quest 2 mics that you can utilize. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.
All right, up first we do got the mod mic. This right here is by Antlion. This is the mod mic, most famously seen by most VR streamers that you do see, or content creators, or any type of PCVR user. Now they utilize the mod mic. It's detachable. It goes magnetically. And this is a mic that can get hot if you don't know much about editing your mic, but it goes simply wherever you want to put it. It's like sticky and magnetic at the same time, so as soon as you find a place, it becomes your permanent spot and it hangs on there. Like what I said, most notably seen by all VR users. And I love this mic the most. This is obviously the best mic if you're going to create content on a higher level, and also just staying mobile, staying wireless. And I would say for the most of usage would be for PCVR. So like what you're seeing with me right now, casting my Quest and utilizing PCVR type situations, this mod mic really does help, and it just creates that professional aura and look. Now it gets very hot if you scream at times, so you just have to, like what I said, you have to manage your settings. But this is the raw audio that you're hearing right now. This is the mod mic.
All right, also what you see me now in seated mode, you're seeing me utilize the USB microphone. Now the USB microphone is actually probably the best sounding one for seated VR. Of course, obviously, if you're gonna have it right here, depending on how you have this USB mic set up, it can be the best of your advantage. Like, I love VR being active, so I love standing up and moving around. But if you're stationary, you're playing certain games that don't really require you to do a lot of stuff, maybe like Phasmophobia or something, or any type of like adopted horror games, I think the seated version is pretty cool. You can just use a USB mic that can make it sound a little bit better and far more professional, or you can use your XR mic, whatever it is that makes it a stationary type approach. This is way different from the actual mod mic, because the mod mic is meant for those to be active. But a USB microphone is still dope. It helps you out. Now, like what I said, it is different in seated mode, so you got to kind of adapt. You got to make sure you're actually doing everything in terms of just knowing where your seating placement's at, aligning your boundaries, everything that you're doing around there, because you will have a big USB mic right in front of you. So this is the USB mic, and this is how it sounds.
And of course, last but not least, we got the internal microphone for the Quest 2, which should be the most popular. It's easy, it's internal. All you got to do is allow for everything to go through this microphone. This is great for just Quest 2 native users that you're just playing. But even if you want to create content, you see me creating some content right now with this microphone. I think it's actually pretty dope. If anything, when I'm having a long day, I don't feel like doing extracurricular, I just throw on the Quest 2 and I utilize the internal mic. I can get some fun gameplay footage still. I can still get a lot of aspects with the microphone. It's also the most accurate, especially when you're creating, so you don't have to worry about adopting any type of post editing when it comes down to audio. And this is just the easiest. It's plug and play, and it's everything what the Quest is meant to be. In my opinion, I like to utilize everything that is internal for Quest, just because evolving with Quest is fun, but also it's just simplified. And VR is already as complicated as it is, so just having this mic, this is the mic test for the internal mic. So y'all gotta let me know what y'all think about all three mics and how those sounded.
And that right there are the best Quest 2 mics. Now this could also be just utilized with VR in general, depending on what type of headset you do have. But as far as Quest and the utilization, and as far as your ideas, this would be a great option for you all. So y'all let me know what's up. What do you think sounds pretty great, and what do you think like kind of meets your budget, or what do you prefer most, man? Let me know in the comment section below. Peace.